Benji has this great mindset that when he gets something from the community and he needs to give back to community whatever he can. We're so proud that we can contribute to the foundation. The Wisdom Tree International Foundation focusing on education, especially education for children. In 2025, that our focus is to support the education segment to provide the funding and the goods for the kids who need education but who doesn't have the resource to do so. We provide a fund to the First Nation students for them to pursue their higher education needs. As part of that, we also work with the canteen and the school campus to provide them with the daily need, such as food, such as the stationaries and computers to support their daily requirement.